Hi, thanks for stopping by and checking out one of our videos. Real quick, you can find much more training for a low price at softwarevideo.com. We've been training people since 1994. We have online memberships for as low as a startup fee is 99 cents for 7 days or just $14.95 per month for unlimited training and access 24/7. Or you can buy it on DVDs. You can see what our new releases are. You can find us by software title, by subject, by vendor. And up here at the top through our film strip, you can go by our little characters here, graphic design, illustrator, and so forth. I'm going to scroll down here. Here's our memberships. Very affordable. They make great gifts. So check it out and enjoy this free lesson on this topic.
Backstage view. Microsoft Access 2010 has a comprehensive zone that allows you to manage your database files. It can be accessed by clicking the top left corner File. Here it exposes several options for managing your database file. You can save your database. You can save objects within your database such as tables and reports, make copies of them. You can actually save the database in a different location by indicating that here. You have most recently accessed databases located here. These listings will allow you to click on them for quick access, and you can open them without searching around your system. The Info tab is dynamic and includes tools for use on the database depending on its state and its status. Currently we have Compact and Repair for repairing any minor problems with the database. It can compact it and repair the database for ease of opening. Encrypt with password is used where you can select a password of your choice and meeting any minimum security requirements that you may have. Next we have Recent. This opens the comprehensive list of the most recently opened database files. Here you can choose how many of these will be displayed in the quick access area by selecting that number here at the bottom. I happen to have 4. That's why 4 are listed here. Next is New. We can create a new database, name it, and create it here. We can even create the blank database, or we can create a database using the available templates. Let's say that we have a contact-oriented database. We would choose this type of template for creating our database. Finance, inventory, sales and marketing are some of the other choices. Let's go to Print. If we are interested in printing our database, we can select Print and Quick Print. Quick Print will send the job directly to the printer without any dialog box. If we need to interact with the print job, we can select Print. This particular function will allow through the use of this dialog box to send just a selected group of records that we may have chosen in our database where we can print just that subset instead of dumping the whole database to the printer. We can even choose which printer to send the selection. Cancel that. Let's go back to our Backstage view. The last selection within Print will allow us to preview what we're printing, so we can look at the portrait view orientation, or if we need landscape for more data on the page horizontally, we can make those changes here. Change the margins as well as export it for use in Excel, or even create a PDF document, a protected document format, or simply email it to our constituent. We can close the preview here and return to the Backstage view. Next is Save and Publish. We can actually save this database for use in earlier versions of Access. That will make it compatible with as we share the database with someone who may have an earlier version of Access. We can even create a template from our existing database. These are more advanced features for saving the database, and these will be covered in upcoming lessons. We can package and sign the database, which means we can just add our digital signature. We can actually use this selection, make ACCDE. All that does is create a standalone runtime application as a standalone runtime application that will allow the database to be used and opened on a system that does not have Microsoft Access installed on it. Nice feature. We can make a backup copy of our database for safety, and we can also save the database for use on a SharePoint server. We can publish to access services. If we make this selection, we can actually convert the database for use on the web as it is being implemented through the SharePoint server to make that happen. Help will allow us to further pursue some of the answers we may have or interests we may have within Microsoft Access. Options gives us quite a bit of management tools available for further managing the database, and these particular options will be covered in the future lesson. Let's cancel, return to our Backstage view, and that completes our Backstage view of Microsoft Access 2010. We can exit by selecting here.